If you want to link your Steam account to Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to connect both accounts safely and correctly, so you can get everything set up without confusion. This is a great process if you play on both platforms and want your accounts connected for easier access and smoother game management. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, log in to the Epic Games account that you want to connect with Steam. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account before continuing, because the link will apply to that profile. After you're signed in, look for your account settings. From there, go to Account, then choose Linked Accounts. This is the section where Epic Games lets you connect services like Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and other supported platforms. Once you're in the Linked Accounts area, find Steam in the list of available services. When you see Steam, click Continue. Epic Games will now begin the connection process and redirect you to sign into your Steam account. At this stage, enter your Steam login details carefully and make sure you are using the account you want linked to Epic Games. Once you sign in, Steam will ask you to authorize the connection between the two accounts. Review the request and then approve it so Epic Games can complete the link. This authorization step is important because it confirms that you want the two accounts connected. After you authorize it, the setup is complete. Your Steam account is now linked to Epic Games. You can go back to the Linked Accounts page to confirm that Steam shows as connected, and from that point on, your account should stay linked unless you manually disconnect them later. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Steam account to Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more gaming account setup guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.